Yeah, Harry, how you doing? This is Manny. I just wanted to do the video. I'm sorry that it was unfortunate that you weren't able to open up the last video I sent you. This one is under YouTube, so you should be able to open it with no problem. I just feel like I wanted to explain, I wanted to share the work that's involved. Like I said, like we spoke earlier today, I was able to get a 30% discount. So I emailed it to you. The new, it's with the price, and then it's just 30% off of the whole thing. And I was able to knock off another 60 on the monthly fee, the monthly fee to keep the SEO going. Anyway, I just want to explain a little bit about what SEO is. I just feel like maybe if you should have seen the video and you would understand it a little better. So that's why I'm making this video. So as you can see, when I go on Google and I type in the hydraulic hose in New Jersey, and I clicked it. And the map pack, these are the three that are in the map pack. So you got the American Hose Hydraulic and Elizabeth. They don't even have a website, so I don't know how they got there. They must have been paid Google, and eventually they're not paying them anymore because I don't see ads. So just a matter of time before they drop out. You got the hose shop here, or maybe they're probably ranking because of the website that they have. I just noticed they're also in Patterson, New Jersey. So Elizabeth, New Jersey, and Patterson. So they must have two locations. I actually didn't see their website. So if we click on it, it's see there's a lot of content, but it's not really a good website. So they really don't have much competition. That's why they're there. But I plan to change all that with you. So the host shop. There's one of the big ones. When we go to the host shop, I already had her here. See, this is what I'm talking about. They have all this. But so what I did was their when we copy their thing and I drop it, these are tools that I have that tell me how you're ranking. And when we drop it in here, see they got 31 citations, which means these are the backlinks, and it's a 12 trust flow, which you always want this number to be as close to this number as possible, because the ratio of one is what's going to guarantee it's what's going to guarantee the the ratio of one is what's going to get you more found. So they obviously have a point 0.3, which means this is not a very trustworthy website. But the fact that they have citations and that they have a trust flow helps them out. So when we drop it in the other tool I have, right? And here we go. We drop that tool. And while that's working, so you'll see. So here it comes up. We'll see what they get out of this tool. Now, their website, like I said, they have three locations. Now, one of the key things that they're being found for is the hose shop. Now, they might own the title hydraulic hose shop. See, they use hydraulic hose shop in New Jersey as a domain name, which is a high keyword as which is a high keyword. Let me see. Getting back to I think the list that I showed you on the pricing. See, so hydraulic hose manufacturing volume is 100 over 3, right? The hose shop New Jersey is a 20 over 0. You always want this number, the volume, to be as high, like 100, 300. That means those are the trust. Like this one, absorbent pads volume 2,700 over 1. So when looking, people are going to look for absorbent pads a lot. See the hydraulic hose adapters. So all these keywords, right? And this is what I showed you. All these keywords is what they're being found. So hydraulic hose, they're being found for one of their keywords is hydraulic hose in New Jersey, which is a high keyword. But getting back to their website. No, the tool. I mean, I'm sorry. Yeah, so not this tool. Getting back to the tool, right? When I punch up organic keywords, which is what you want, organic. Not found. Sometimes that happens. Let me go back again and try it again. Anyway, so like I said, getting back to the whole shop, right? So that their name, the whole shop, they may own the name the whole shop, but the phrase the whole shop in New Jersey is not theirs. So we can steal some custom. We can get some traffic out of when on Google out of their website and point it to our direction by simply using like a sentence, like somehow putting in the hose shops. Like for example, oh, if you're looking for hydraulic hoses, you need to check out the hose shop of New Jersey here in Linden, New Jersey, Hose Heaven, which is a discount for hydraulic hoses in New Jersey. Boom, I just hit the keywords, the hose shop, which is a shop of hoses. I just hit the keyword hose shop of New Jersey. I mean, of course, that's what the writers are for. They word it better. That's why the writers get cost so much. But what I was trying to explain is that we target those keywords in a story, and because Google wants to read, so we target those keywords in a story. That's why when I did the pricing, while it's loading, let's go back. That's why when I did the pricing for you, these are the keywords that we're going to target. I send these keywords to a writer, and they're going to write a homepage of about 1,500 to maybe 2,000 words implementing these inside, because this is like hose shop New Jersey, that's where you're going to get found. Hydraulic hose manufacturers, they're going to find you. A hydraulic hose shop near me. So somehow work it out. Like for example, I could say like, oh, if you're looking for hydraulic hoses that you need with our shut-off valves, then you need to come to Hose Haven, Linden, New Jersey, which is the hydraulic hose manufacturer near me, or the hydraulic hose shop near me. So now the next time somebody hits hydraulic hose shop near me, if you find those words in the body, Google is going to go to it right away. I mean, of course, you have to make a nice story. So that's why you need a writer. It has to make a nice story, because if you just put these words in like random, like hose shop New Jersey, come to hydraulic hose Linden, or it, Google is gonna know that you're just keyword stuffing, and the keyword stuffing they're gonna be onto us, and of course then you're not gonna rank. So the way is to put it in, use the keywords, stuff those keywords in there in a nice sentence where it goes in smooth and it all works itself into the story. So then the next time when people look up hoses, so when people look up the hoses, where did I have the main one? So when next time when people look up hydraulic hose near in New Jersey, if you use in New Jersey a lot of times in your website, you're gonna be here. You're gonna be here, not them. And then even here, like up front, they're gonna find you and the key is to be in the map. You want to be like number one in the map, maybe or if you can get all three spots, even better. But at least number one or number two, it doesn't matter. But you're in the map, provolone on a map, and also you want to be like number one right here, like the whole shop. See, they're number two. They're right here, and they're found right here. This is a spot that you want to be in. And again, they you find them again. Oh, number two, that's them again also. And I'm sure if you scroll down, you'll find them another time. What my website will do is take their place, and with the backlinks, and I could even backlink it to yours. So even though your website, like I said, your website is not bad, it just doesn't have any content, right, in the homepage, which is important. And your products, it goes, and the products, they're all here. Like again, more content for each. So that's why a good website, like a lot of these, like all these products need content. All these the service, right? All these service need a lot of content instead of being on the same page. Give them a separate page, and a bigger website will definitely bring in traffic. But I plan to use something.com. and I could backlink, and I could even put this website, like this domain name. I would link it, so I would put it maybe at the bottom or something, so this way people can even backlink to this one. So this way you could even be found from this website, or you could be found from the new website, and bring in more traffic. The more traffic, the more volume, the more money is going to bring you, and the more busier you get. I know today we spoke and you were talking about that you wish you could be busier. And that's what my goal is. With this website, I plan to be busy. Here's another one, Bridgestone. This is another, let me get rid of this. This is another one right here. See the services, catalog. They have a catalog. Um, but again, it's not bad. This is not a bad website. But again, it can be very beaten. Their homepage does have writing. I didn't count how many words, but it does seem to have a lot of writing. And they have the contact information right on the first page, which is like what I do. So this website, you can tell it was done, but again, very beatable. So I know you've been hesitant to pull the trigger, but when you're ready to pull the trigger, I really believe that I can get you ranked up here, and you should be right up here. There's one more thing. Let me show you real quick. So let's take your website, right, and let's drop it in the tools. So when I drop your website in the tools, let's see what comes up. So you have 21 citations, right? 0 trust flow. So I see at least you've been found. So you have some backlinks that you have been found, but they're just not trustworthy backlinks. It's probably from Alignable or Facebook, but we need some trustful links, and that's where I come in. I'll find you the trustful links. Let's go to my other tools, see what we can do. Let's go back. Sorry, this takes a while sometimes. So when we drop it in here, and I believe I have pictures of this in your contract that I sent you. But yeah, you see, so you got no trust flow, that no backlinks being found in this tool, and 0 traffic value. So your website is not giving you any value at all. When you go to the keywords that you use, today would be nice. There's no key, only one keyword, and it's not, as you can see, the KD is high. You want this KDs to be as close to 0 as possible. You're being found for convenient, which means, and there's the host name, which means your name. So when you tell people about your link and they have specific, like they put hose Haven of Linden, New Jersey, then they'll find you. But they have to be specific to your name. Where what you want is to just be able to type in. You want customers that don't know you exist and don't even know who you are to just go online and just type in hydraulic hose in New Jersey, boom, click, and you want to be in this pack. Because then they're gonna look at this, they're gonna be like, oh, who's this guy? Okay, so this one don't have a website. Oh, let me check out their website. Oh, okay, here it is. And then they're gonna do their research, right? They're gonna read, they're gonna do research, and oh, this is what I need. So I need to buy this. And then they're gonna get the business. I want to make sure that you get that business. So again, I hope you see this. I'm gonna send this email to you. I don't want to take up any much more of your time, but I just wanted to send you that video because I know you weren't able to open the other one, and I really wish maybe now if you see the work involved and everything, you'll understand what I'm talking about. And basically, the website will pay for itself because it'll bring back the traffic, giving you more business, more money, and making the website, pretty much free. So give me a call after you see this video, and let's go ahead and go forward with this, and let's make this happen. Let's make that business of yours grow. I'll talk to you soon. All right, take care.